All right, dear. So we're officially a week.
Yes.
Awesome. Out of a Fleur de Max, right?
Yes.
Phenomenal. And like, tell me, how has been your recovery in terms of pain so far?
In terms of pain, I've had zero, like no pain whatsoever. I took one pain medicine the night of surgery and that was it. Tylenol for 2 more days and nothing since. So the pain has been nothing.
So there's many patients that hear that, or future patients or audience that hears that and says like, she had a fleur de lis, that's impossible. So how would you answer that?
I don't even know the answer. I just know, I don't even know. Like the pain was, the only pain that I've had is the muscle pain, like from sitting to standing or laying in bed to getting up, and that's it. But it's not anything, it honestly feels like a workout, like, and that's it.
Awesome.
That's the only thing, yeah.
So we fulfilled the promise?
Excuse me?
We fulfilled the promise?
Yes, 100%. 100%.
Awesome, that's good, dear. So the next question I ask patients has to always do with support. So obviously, you know, this is a procedure that is limiting in some ways where your core is sort of a little bit unavailable, you're recovering, etc. So how have you found the support to be in terms of the nursing help and the massages and everything else?
The nurse was amazing. Natalie, she's so sweet. She literally became part of my family for the 4 days that she was with us.
Yeah.
And then other than that, I have a good support system at home as well, so which makes it a lot easier. I mean, there are some days that, you know, they're not readily available, but we're getting around. And like Natalie helped me dress, she helped me shower, everything. So no complaints whatsoever. Everything was perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Well, I have a gift for you.
Okay.
And it's your skin. So
okay.
We're going to take a look. Only you and I are going to see this one, so the world's not going to see it. But you ready?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
All right. 1, 2, and...
Holy crap. Wow. It's like you don't even know where it came from. Like you know, I knew I had to get it done, and I don't, you just think about putting that back on your body, and it's like, was it really there? But it was really there. I mean, it was really there.
Yeah, absolutely. So wow. Tell us what got you to the decision to pursue surgery for your tummy. Like what happened? What was your story? Like what got you to the point to say, hey, this enough is enough, or let me do this? It
was a little bit of everything. Enough is enough, and let me do this. And I've spent so many years like taking care of my kids and doing for my kids and doing everything, and you know, being their support system, that I just really wanted to do something for myself to make myself feel better about myself.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So, and how is the tummy bothering you on a day-to-day basis?
Just it's just kind of hanging over, and it just was always there, like always in the way, and I just felt like I couldn't wear certain clothes, couldn't tuck in my shirts. Obviously did not want to go to the beach or go to the pool or anything. So looking forward to summer.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Your tummy's looking amazing. Even with the swelling, it's looking great.
Yeah. I mean, I stare at it after I get out of the shower. I'm like, I can't even believe that that's me. Like, I look down and I'm like, I'm gone.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm gone.
Awesome.
I'm gone. Yep.
All right, dear. Okay. Thank you for sharing.
All right. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah. Well, I think it's always good to see how we... I think sometimes women even underestimate how much this bothers them. Once it's off, it's like a huge relief. So we're always happy to be part of your journey. That's for sure.
Yeah, and I'm happy I chose you guys.
Oh, of course.
Like, I love everybody. Everybody's so nice. Everybody's so helpful.
Awesome.
You're not alone in this journey whatsoever.
Awesome. Well, it's always an honor to be part of the journey. That's for sure. And you've been an awesome patient. So.
Thank you.